Now that the deployment is starting, in this case I'm just skipping all the loading stages and I'm just directly in the dashboard for our application where we have a deployment. This is a development deployment. So we have access to the browser IDE. So you can start coding your application directly from the browser. Or if you prefer to use your local VS Code or cursor, you can also do it. All you need to do is to add an SSH key. First thing to notice is that you have components, which in this case we have for the backend Node.js and React for the front end, and then Postgres as our database. Databases in Diploi are only accessible from your components. They cannot be accessed externally, so they are not open to the wider internet. And if you want to see your application live, you don't need to run npm start or npm dev. Everything is running by default, so there is no additional setup for you to get started. You can just see the preview of your application. So for example, in this case, let's open the front end and let's also open the back end. So as you can see, the backend is working as expected and the front end as well. You get a monorepo structure. So both of the components that I have are in the same folder. While for databases, you can access them directly via SSH just by adding your SSH key, and that will give you the SSH string connection that you need to be able to access that specific container. In case that you want to change the stack of your project, all you need to do is go to your development environment, and there you will find at the root of your project, you will find the deploy.yaml file. This is used to configure what components are part of your application, and you can modify it directly. If you want more information about how to use it, you can access our documentation about this file, which go over how to configure your file and what changes you can make to it. And that's basically all you need to know in order to get started. If you have any questions, you can connect with us in Discord or send us an email.